Look what just arrived. So when you get a reputation as a scrounger, it can get around. So I've got this big bag of stuff, and I thought I'd do a quick video and we can look in it together. Okay, and oh my goodness, this is really old. That's vintage. I don't think you can buy that anymore. Okay, so what I'm seeing there is, I think that price tag is from Bonnie Mart, which used to be in Quebec here in the 70s. So we got some vintage. Okay, so some of these, the ones that I'm keeping, did smell a tiny bit musty. So what I've got going on here is I sprayed them with this stuff, and they're hanging up in my laundry room in these lingerie bags. I'm going to leave them here for a few days and see if that does the trick. I might have to have a second go.